Good morning. After the UML session, now we are looking for the various UML diagrams. So, I am going to request all the students to think about the UML. What is UML? Unified Modeling Language. Revise the UML, and then we look for the various UML diagrams. UML consists of many diagrams as it is to be used for the designing and modeling purpose. So, the diagram is of two types: structural diagram and behavioral diagrams. These types of diagram is according to the views which is going to represent by these particular diagrams. Generally, structure diagram are the diagram which doesn't show the information flow among the objects, while the behavioral diagram shows the information or the data flow among the objects. So these are the two kind of diagram. Generally, these are used to the various 5 interlocking views. Some of the process view, use case view, design view, implementation view. These are the various views that can be represented by these diagrams. Structural diagrams are generally used to represent the organizational structures, while the behavioral diagram shows the information flow. It can be used to show the interaction among the objects and the actors or the various entities into the software engineering. So you look for the various structural diagrams. Many diagrams are contained within the structural diagrams. Generally, package diagram, object diagram, class diagram, deployment diagram, component diagram, composite diagram. These are some of the diagrams that come under the category of structural diagrams. So these are the diagrams which show the static aspect, which show the structural organization of an object or the UML building blocks. Similarly, behavioral diagrams are the diagrams which show the interactions among the objects and entities which are involved into the software engineering or the software system. So behavioral diagrams are of type activity diagram, use case diagram, state machine diagram, and the interaction diagram. Generally, interaction diagram, again under the interaction diagram, it contains sequence diagram, communication diagram, it is also called as the collaboration diagram, timing diagram, interaction overview diagram. These are the some of the diagrams which show the behavioral aspect, which show the interaction aspect of the system. So it will be helpful for the user or the designer to show the more visualization or detailed representation of the software. Thank you.